What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Have I got an unboxing for you? Well, I've got two unboxings for you today. These are two little 1/16 scales from Pinecone Models. Little 1/16 scale trucks. This one looks very familiar. We'll get out of the box and have a look in a minute. But ESP, they've got stability control. They've got built-in gyros. Let's get them out of the box and have a look. So a few months ago, I got sent a video via email showing this thing drifting around a track, and there wasn't much information